How to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if WhatsApp is not working on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix if WhatsApp is basically not working on your iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then let's say you're having issues with the WhatsApp application. How do you now go ahead and then fix it? Well, in order to fix it, it's actually very simple. Just try to open up your app store first of all. In the search box, just type in WhatsApp and then just check if the WhatsApp app has an update available. And if it does have an update, then make sure to tap the update option over here in order to update the WhatsApp Messenger app to the latest version. After you've done this, another thing you can just try to do is simply go ahead and open up settings, then just try to go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then simply look for WhatsApp and then tap on it. Tap on offload app. Do not tap on delete app, because if you have not backed up your chats, then you will not be able to restore them. So instead, you want to make sure to tap on the offload app option and reinstall the app to see if that helps you solve the problem. And this way you should be able to fix if WhatsApp is not working on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.